Next one I'm sharing with you is the T10 Grow Light by Barrina. And Barrina also claims to be the leading brand in the field of plant lighting. And what I love about this T10 grow light is you can't really tell it's a grow light unless I tell you. It looks more like a floor lamp, which I love about it. It is sleek, it's minimal, it's 47 inches tall, and it even has a switch that is similar to a floor lamp. And it's still a full spectrum light that provides a wide area of lighting for your plants. So you could use this for a single large plant, or you could use it for a lot of your plants. And it has vertical lighting. As opposed to having overhead lamps, the plants that are shorter could get lighting as well, not just your taller plants. So that's what I really love about it. And this has full spectrum lighting, which is awesome. But I wish it has like brightness level settings and also a timer function. It's not of a big issue for me because again, this functions essentially as a floor lamp for me that happens to provide great lighting for my houseplants as well. So if it's a non-issue for you as well, I suggest getting this one because it is great. Like I said, it's minimal, it's sleek, it's modern. It's very easy to fit in any space and at the same time provide lighting for your houseplants. And if you want to check this out, I'll have the product link down in the description as well as the discount code that is exclusive for my audience. So check it out if you want a floor lamp that is also a grow light that provides lighting for your plants vertically.